What's up guys, Eric from B-Side. Today I want to introduce you a new product that we're going to be coming out very soon. Right now we're in a 2020 Tundra, and starting from 2020, Toyota has added the Apple CarPlay feature on their Tundra in addition to some of the other vehicles like the 4Runners, the RAV4s, and so forth. So this is a pretty exciting product that's super easy to install and it's very easy to use. So let me go ahead and show you what it is. So this is how it looks. And then on here simply comes with this USB to Type-C cable. Just plug it in on the USB Type-C side and just simply plug it into the USB port where you would normally connect your phone to activate Apple CarPlay. Okay, and you could just go ahead and just conveniently just set it over here. Just give it a moment. Once it detects it, the screen will automatically change into something like this. You might get a hello message, you might get a different message. Okay, and then this is an Android-based computer that's being ran, and all the touchscreen features from the vehicle screen will work like this. There's some apps over here that's already pre-installed. Most likely you're not going to be using any of these apps that you see. And the very first time you use it, you want to go into settings and then set up your Wi-Fi. So right now I have a hotspot that's running from my phone. So it's connected already, automatically connected. I'll go back to the home screen. And if you go to more apps, there's some video players like YouTube and Netflix. So let me do a quick demonstration on a YouTube. All right, here we go. So let's go explore, check out some videos. And the display quality is pretty good. And of course this works while the vehicle is driving. And of course that will be for the passengers. Okay, and then if you want to go back, there's a back button here. This is like the back button that you would push on your cell phone, your Android device. Okay, and then there's also Netflix if you want to check that out. All right, so as you can see, it's like an Android computer and you could do many things with it. Pretty simple product, very simple to install and pretty straightforward. So if you have any additional questions, leave a comment below, or you can also email us at beatsonicusa.com. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page and also hit that like button. Thank you very much.